Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle. Now today in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of all the goodies YouTube has sent me. So all the swag bags, the packages, everything, I'm going to be unboxing them in this particular video. So let's get started. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is this polo right here. So there's an unboxing video already of this on the channel, I think. If I've not posted it, I'm going to post it probably after this. But this is my polo. This is what it looks like. Now, this one is what I wore in the video. The original unboxing I did when I first got the package, the polo is different because I had to exchange. This is a medium size. I had to exchange that one. That one was an extra large size. Now, if you've seen me, you know that is I'm going to be swimming in that one. So I exchanged it with an amazing creator who was willing to, because he loves big shirts. So he gave me this and I gave him that. And on that day, they gave us a notepad as well. So I've already started using my notepad, but this is what it looks like. Now the next thing I got was this. It was from a challenge that we did. So I got a message that I was expecting a package from YouTube, and when I got it, this was what was in the package. It says, "Hello, congratulations on successfully completing YouTube Champs. Thank you for your commitment to supporting community initiatives. Please enjoy this well-earned reward. We look forward to continuing to build this community and seeing you in our next initiative." So we did a challenge where we had to post videos and using a hashtag YouTube Champs, and this was the gift that was given to us. So it's a waist pouch that has the YouTube logo on it, and then inside we have a brooch. So the brooch came in this. So I used it for the YouTube events that we went for, the YouTube Black. I'm going to show you guys the swag bag as well. So that's why it's out of the nylon basically. So this is what the brooch looks like. So it's a pin. You pin it to your dress, your outfit, and this is what it looks like basically. Then at the event, the YouTube Black Future Insiders event, we got these swag bags. Guys, this is one of the most amazing swag bags I've gotten from YouTube. So at the event as well, I won this. This is a 5-in-1 Bluetooth speaker. I'm going to unbox it as well today in this video. But this was what we got in our swag bags. Guys, look at it. The bag is so durable. It's so spacious. I love it. I love this tote bag. Then what we have inside, first off, we have a bucket hat. So this is what the bucket hat looks like. It's embroidered to it. So this is it right here. Now the next thing I'm going to show you guys is this. This is a tripod. So this is the tripod case. Really nice. Then this is the manual. This is the charger for the light on top of it. So you need to charge it. And then this is the tripod itself. So this is it. So it goes as long as this. You open it up like this, and you put it down like this. It also has a remote right here that you can use to take pictures or videos when you're not even like close to the tripod. So this is really, really thoughtful, really, really amazing. Actually love it, guys. Wow. It has the YouTube Black written on it as well. Then next up, what we have in this, the final thing in this package is this. So this was the tag they gave us at the event, YouTube Black Future Insiders. And then let's open this up. Wow, guys, it's a mug. Wow, and it's black. YouTube Black. Can you guys see? It has a cover right here. This is what it looks like. Wow, this is so nice. This is so nice. And it has this, I don't know, wooden textured thing. So this is what it is. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. This is so amazing. Thank you, YouTube. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Now we're going to go to my gift. So guys, let's open it together. Oh wow. Oh wow. I even thought I was going to see this color, but now I'm seeing black, and I love the fact that it is black. And it has YouTube Black written on it. Oh my goodness. Wow. So this is the charger, or I think to connect it when you want to use it basically. So I'm going to test it out. This is the manual. So I'm going to just read out what they said it does. So it's a 5-in-1 wireless charger, Bluetooth speaker, dancing lamp, phone stand, and lighting logo. So that's what it basically is. So it charges phones that use wireless charging. It charges it. It's a phone stand. Wow, this is amazing. So let's test it out and see. So I think this is how it stands basically. Yeah. I'm going to plug this to my laptop right here. And I'm going to plug it right here. Oh. Wow. So it's bringing out like different colors. So can you guys see? So there are 4 color modes. This is the different colors, like the club light kind of one. This is the brightest. Then it starts dimming till your preferred preference. So this is what it looks like. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you, YouTube. So they did a quiz where we had to answer questions, fastest fingers, and I was among the fastest fingers. And it was so amazing hearing my name on stage, collecting my gifts. I'm going to put a clip right here so that you guys can see it. Wow, I am so grateful. I'm so grateful. So this is how you put your phone, just like this, as a landscape version. So like this, or like this. Wow. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. So I think it has to be plugged before you can use it. It's not like rechargeable or anything, but this is cutesy. So I already cut it open so that it won't start causing any problems when I'm opening it. So it has the YouTube logo all around it and a card. So it says YouTube Shorts, thank you, hashtag YouTube Creator Community. So we did another hashtag that was YouTube Creator Community, where we had to post, I think, every day, and we'll stand a chance to get a swag bag. So this was what was sent to me. It says, hey creator, thank you and congratulations for completing the YouTube Creator Community Challenge. We are excited to see you wearing your gym bag. Your team, YouTube. Guys. Wow. This is what the gym bag looks like. Wow. I love how portable it is. It's not too big. It's not too small. It's just the right size for the gym. Wow. Has a smaller portion right here. Has a bigger side right here. And has a longer strap, basically. Wow. This is awesome. Thank you, YouTube. I love all my gifts. Wow. So guys, these are all the things I got from YouTube. So far, I still have one coming, but it's not yet here. So pending that time, these are the things that I have gotten. So my gym bag is here, my mug, my tripod, my speaker, bucket hats, tote bag, notepad, polo. Guys, wow. Waist pouch. It's amazing and I'm so excited. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle, join in as a member of this channel. Membership helps a lot. It helps the channel a lot. Thank you for everything you've been doing for me, guys. It's been amazing. Thank you so much, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.